Good morning everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on 3 canvases, so it's a 10 by 10 and both of these are an 8 by 8 inches. So it was a big decision for me on which color background I was going to use, or the base. So I've decided to just go with the white. And I'm going to just go ahead and cover my canvases and I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, so these are deep edged canvases. And I'm going to give them a quick torch. So I hope you guys are all doing well and getting creative, and I'd like to thank all of you for subscribing and liking and commenting. I love reading the comments. Right, so I've had to really make a big decision here, and I have decided, let me think now again, what did I decide? Okay, let's go with the pink first. Ugh, I hope this is not going to be too much paint. It actually looks like too much. So I didn't bring my little spoons with me. So that is Florescent Pink, and then I have magenta, so that Florescent Pink is Atelier, I think that's how you pronounce it. So I tidied up my art area, and now I can't find anything. It was an organized mess before. Okay, so here I have, this is Liquitex Basics, and I have put some DecoArt metallic, I think it's called Lavender. Oh no, I think it's yeah, I think it is Lavender. I'm having a forgetful morning today. So we are currently in level 2, which means that the shops or stores are open, but it's pretty wild. All of the queues, people going out. I tried to go and just get a couple of things that I needed, and wow, it was really busy. Okay, so this here is my bloom recipe. I will link the video to the bloom recipe in the description. So if you want to find anything, what colors I've used, what paints I've used, you'll find it in the description. I know sometimes I just don't put it in there, but yeah, I will put it there for you guys. I know a couple of you have been asking. So the previous pour that I did, it was called Fire and Ice. It has sold. So that will be going to its new home. Right, let's get this away. And let's give this a go and see what happens. Actually, I'll give this a torch first. So ideally what I wanted to actually do was go for mainly pinks, but I've added some dark because you really do need dark to bring out the light and the light to bring out the dark, vice versa. And of course I put my hairdryer straight into it. So I had another hairdryer, oopsie. Okay, I'm going to just blow that. Much better. And I'm going to give this a blow. Oops. Alright, that's balancing it out a bit better. And I just want to get rid of some of this dark over here. I love, love, love these purple. This purple is absolutely beautiful. Right, just looking at this here, so I might just actually blow some of this out. And let's check this one out. I'm not going to bother too much about making these meet, but I do want to bring this one out just a bit. Yeah. I don't know, what do you guys think? So I'm going to give that a torch. and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hey guys, so this has been sitting for a short while, and I can show you the sides. Look pretty cool. I'm just not 100% sure of these colors, although yeah, hopefully it's picking up that this is the purple. You can't really see the shimmer in this light, but it is shimmering beautifully. I love this section here with all the cells, and that section there, really beautiful. Just excuse the studio lights, I don't have it on. It's pretty dark in here, it's winter now, so you will struggle to see. I really love that purple. Well guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork, as I said, the Fire and Ice is sold, and the black and white one is sold, and those will be going to their new home. You can contact me directly on withbade@gmail.com, and we can work it out from there. I love this section here. Those cells there are absolutely amazing. Really, really pretty there. So it kind of has like a bit of a 3D effect. And that's really pretty too. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.